Question number 8. See question number 8. Mr. Gupta has a choice to invest in 10 rupees shares of two firms. Nominal value of each share rupees 10. Market value in case of first firm, that is 13. So in case of market value of each share 13, market value of each share rupees 16. Now first firm, rate of dividend 5%, and in case of second firm, rate of dividend 6%. First firm, dividend per share 5 by 100 into 13, that is into 13, no sorry, this is 10. Nominal value is 10, so 5 by 100 into 10, okay, this is half, or you can say 0.5 rupees, okay. And dividend in case of second firm, dividend per share 6 by 100, so 0.3 by 5, whatever you can say, okay. Now see the question, which firm is paying better? That means you have to compare the return percentage of each share. So that means return percentage 0.5 by 13 into 100, return percentage 0.6 by 16 into 100. So from here if you calculate, you will get 3.85%, and if you calculate, you will get 3.75%. So if you see, obviously this one is better. So first firm, which firm is paying better? So for answer will be first firm is paying better. Now if Mr. Gupta invest equally in both the firm, and the difference between the return from them is 30 rupees, find how much in all does he invest. Now see, let he invested rupees X in each firm. So in case of first one, number of shares X by this is the total investment by market value is 13 rupees, so this is the number of shares, and total income, this one into 0.5 or 1 by 2, you can say X by 26, okay, X by 26 you can write. And second firm, number of shares X by 16 is the market value, so X by 16, and total income X by 16 into 0.6 or you can say 3 by 5, so 3x by 80 you can say, okay. Now see, according to the question, x by 26 minus 3x by 80, that is equal to 30, and if you calculate, you will get so this is the investment of each firm. So total investment 2 into 31200, that is 62400, okay. This will be the answer. Question number 9. See the question. A man invested this amount, so total investment in 15% rupees 100 shares quoted at rupees 125. That means nominal value of each share 100 rupees, dividend of each share, you can write each share because this is 15% and nominal value is 100, so it will become rupees 15, okay. Market value of each share, that is, see, quoted at this one, that means rupees 125. First you need to find out number of shares, that is rupees 45000 divided by market value 125, yes, so it will become this one, okay, 360 is the number of shares. Now when the market value of these shares rose to this amount, he sold some shares just enough to raise this money. So that means, according to the question, he have sold to raise this money at the market price. At that time market price was this one. So that means rupees 8400 divided by rupees 140. So it will you will get 60. Okay. So that means he have sold 60 shares. He have sold 60 shares. Okay. That means he still had, or number of shares. Yes. So answer of question number 1, that is the number of shares he still hold, that will be 360 minus 60. Total total number of shares minus 60. So 300. Okay. So the total dividend on remaining shares, that will be equal to 300 into that dividend of each share. So 300 into 15. So answer will be 4500, this amount. Okay. Okay, now next question, question number 10. A dividend of 12% was declared on, so rate of dividend 12% on rupees 150 share. That means nominal value of each share rupees 150. Selling at a certain price, the share or if the rate of return is 10%. Okay, suppose market value selling at a certain price, that is market value. Suppose market value is X. Let market value of each share is rupees X. Okay. Now dividend, that is 12 by 100 into 150. So if you calculate, you will get 18 rupees 18. Okay. See, if rate of return is 10%, means 18 is dividend by market price X. So 18 by X into 100, that is 10 according to this question. Okay. So X equal to 180. That means 180, that is rupees 180, that is the market value. Okay. So answer of the question, see, the market value of shares rupees 180. Okay. Now amount to be invested to obtain an annual dividend, this one, annual dividend is given. Annual dividend is rupees 1350. Number of shares, this one by dividend per share, that is 18. So 1350 by 18 by rupees 18. So it will be 75. 75 is the number of shares if annual income. See, the amount to be invested to obtain an annual dividend. To obtain annual dividend, this one, you need to buy number of shares, this one. Okay. So total investment, in that case, total investment equal to 75 into market value, this one. So 13500. Okay. Divide this one into two parts such that if one part is invested, okay, let this one minus X are two part of investment. The first part of investment is 8%, rupees 100 shares at 8% discount. Okay. That means nominal value of each share is rupees 100. Market value of each share is 100 minus 8, that will be 92. Dividend rupees 8, 8% of 100, that means rupees 8, and X is total investment here. X is rupees X is total investment. Okay, so total return is total investment by number of shares. Number of shares is this one minus this one divided by this one, X by 92, and this is the number of shares into that dividend. This is total return, 2x by 23, that is total return in first investment. Okay. Now in case of second, now see the second part of investment. 9% 100 rupee shares at 8% premium. That means nominal value of each share is 100 rupees. Market value of each share is 100 plus 8, that is 108 rupees. Dividend of each share, that is 9 rupees. And this is the total investment. So that means number of shares, that is 50760 minus X by that market value, this one, and total income or total return. The annual income from both investment are equal. That means this one, according to the question, 2x by 23 is equal to this one. So 47x is equal to 50760 into 23. Here x equal to 24840. Okay. So the another part will be 50760 minus 24840. That will be 25920. Okay. So two parts are this one and that one. Okay. Number 12. Question number 12. Vivek invested this money in, so total investment, this one, invested in 8% rupees 10 shares at rupees 15. What it means? Nominal value of each share is 10. Dividend of each share 8 by 100 into 10, 4 by 5. Okay. Market value of each share, he sells the shares when the price raises to 30 rupees. Okay. So selling price is rupees 30. Now from here what we can find out, see, total investment is this one, market price is this one. So number of shares, that will be 4500 divided by 15. So it will become 300. 300 is the number of shares. Okay. And income, total income, that will be this one into 300. So this one is rupees, okay, rupees 240, that is the total income. Okay. And this is the selling price. Okay. Now you need to find out the sale proceeds. So sale proceeds, that is 30 into 300, 9000. Okay. Number of rupees 125 shares. So that means this is the see, this is sales proceeds, that means this is the investment of next part. Okay. Now market value, see the next part of investment. Next part of investment is 12%, rupees 100 shares at rupees 125. That means nominal value of each share is 100 rupees. Dividend of each share is rupees 12 and market value of each share is rupees 125. Total investment is this one. So number of shares, number of shares shares 125. Okay. So that means that is 72. Okay. In that case, in this investment, number of shares is 72. Okay. Now income, change in his annual income from dividend. So change in his annual income, change in his annual income from dividend, that is 72 into 12 minus 240, that is the income from first investment, and this is the number of share in second part of investment into dividend, that is 12 rupees. Okay. So this will be the answer. Now question number 13. Mr. Parekh invested this amount. So total investment, 100 rupees shares at a discount rupees 20, paying dividend at that means nominal value of each share rupees 100 and market value of each share rupees 80, and see 8% dividend. So dividend of each share, that is rupees 8. Okay. Now this is the total investment, this is market value, that means number of shares 650. Okay. Now total income 650 into 8. So this is the total income or annual dividend. Okay. This is annual dividend, and the profit earned including his dividend. Profit earned, see, that person sold his shares, he sells the shares at a premium rupees 20, that means selling price of shares, selling price 120 rupees, and he bought 80 rupees, that means profit equal to minus 80, that means 40 rupees in case of each share. Now 40, and these are the number of shares, that means total profit including, okay, total, see, they have asked you to find out total profit including dividend. So answer of this question, total profit including dividend, that is 40 into 650 plus, this will be the answer. Okay. So question 14, Salman buys 50 shares of face value 100 rupees. Nominal value of each share available at rupees, this one, that means market value of 132. Number of shares 50. Okay. So total investment 50 into 132, 6600. Okay. Now if dividend is 7%, if, that means annual income 7.5 rupees into 50, this one. So this is the answer of question number 1, this is answer of question number 2. And third question, see, if he wants to increase his annual income, so increase income, so obviously he has to buy some extra shares. So number of extra shares, 20 will be the number of extra shares. How many extra shares should he buy? Answer of this question is 20. Okay. Now question number 15, Salman invested a sum of money in rupees 50 shares. So nominal value of each share, 15% dividend, 15% dividend, that means quoted at 20% premium. So market value of each share 50 plus 50 into 20 by 100, so it will be 60 rupees 60, that is the market value. Okay. Now dividend of each share, it is 50 into 15 by 100, so 7.5. So number of shares, see, if his annual dividend is this one, that is given, so you can write annual dividend. So number of shares he bought, that will be rupees 600 by 7.5, so it will become 80. So answer of this question is 80. Okay. Now total investment 80 into market value, this one. Okay, this one is the total investment. Now rate of return 7.5, that is dividend, by market price, that is 60 into 100. This is 12.5%. Okay. This is rate of return on his investment. Now see the last question, how much should a man invest in rupees 50 shares selling at rupees 60, rupees 50 shares selling at rupees 60 to obtain an income, this one. Okay. So nominal value of each share rupees 50, market value of each share, that is rupees 60, or selling price, whatever you can say. Let rupees X is the total investment. Now income, total income, see, rate of dividend is given, rate of dividend 10%. Now see, this is total income, dividend per share, that is rupees 5. Okay. Dividend per share, so number of shares 450 by rupees 5, so 90 will be the answer. 90 will be number of shares. So total investment, how much should a man invest, that means total investment 90 into rupees 60, this one. And find his yield percent, yield percent, that means return percent, that means income percentage. Okay. So return percent or yield percent, whatever you can say. So return percent, they have told to write the value to nearest whole number. So nearest whole number will be 8%. 8% will be the answer. Okay. So this was today's topic. If you think this is relevant for you, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon.